Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare paneer toast. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 4 slices of bread. This is 200 grams of paneer which I have crumpled it with my hands. 2 cheese cubes, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic, half tomato chopped, half capsicum or bell pepper chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves, half onion chopped, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili. I have just cut them into small pieces. This is optional friends. If you don't want it spicy, you just remove this green chilies. Ketchup I have taken. This is normal tomato ketchup. This I'll be using as much as I require. Butter. This also we will use as much as we require. So approximately it will be near about 4 tablespoons. Oregano. 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And now let's get started. So the first step is we are going to cook this paneer along with these vegetables. So now let's get started. So first step friends, I have heated a karhai and I have added 2 tablespoons of butter in the karhai. Lower the flame and now add the cumin seeds, that is the jeera. Now friends, after adding the jeera, I will add the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it for 30 seconds. A lovely aroma of this ginger, garlic and cumin seeds will come. We will add the chopped onion, green chilies, tomato and capsicum at the same time. Just saute everything together for a minute over medium flame. After sauteing it for a minute, we will add the paneer or the cottage cheese. Mix it. Add just a little bit of salt, very little. We will saute this over medium flame for a minute. Now we will add the fresh coriander leaves. We will saute this for 1 more minute. Friends, so that's it. We will not cook the vegetables completely because we need that crunchy taste in it. So now we'll put out the flame and we will take out this mixture in a separate bowl. So friends, Here I have taken out the mixture, the paneer thing here, and now I have taken the bread slices. First I will add little butter. So now after adding butter, I will add little bit of tomato ketchup just to give the taste. Just roughly add it. Now I will add this paneer mixture. Spread it nicely. Gently press it. Same thing I'll put here also. Now friends, I will grate the cheese cube little bit. Little bit of chili flakes. Oregano. And now I'm going to toast these breads. So now here I will heat a pan and I'm going to apply butter. And now over the butter I will place this toast, and I'm going to cover this and cook over medium flame for a minute. Now we'll remove the lid and we'll see. Yes friends, you can see the cheese is nicely melted and the toast is also ready. So now we will take it out. So here is our paneer cheese toast ready. It's nice and crispy. And here the other slices also I have prepared. Now I'm going to toast them also. So friends, here is our paneer toast ready with cheese on it. Serve it hot with your favorite tomato ketchup, or if you want you can serve this with green chutney also. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.